There are a couple ways that you can manage all of the notifications and emails that you're going to get when you use Google Classroom. One of the things you could do in Google Classroom itself is to click on the three lines on the left-hand side for the main menu and scroll all the way down to your settings. Inside the settings, you can see there's notifications. You have the ability to turn on and off general notifications here by whatever category or topic you like. But more importantly, you can come down here under class notifications and choose specific classes that you could turn off all notifications for. If we turn off any of the classrooms though, you won't receive any updates or emails from that. If a teacher posts something on the stream or even an assignment, you wouldn't receive an email for that. You'd be responsible for going to the classroom and maintaining that yourself. Another option you have is right inside of Gmail itself. Instead of messing with the settings on how you get emails, you could create rules and filters that would help keep your inbox clean. If you select one of the emails you've gotten from Classroom from one of your teachers or from any of the posts, under the three dots you can choose to filter messages like these. We can see now behind this pop-up that all of the Classroom notifications from that class have been filtered out. We have the very specific code for that class, and we can create a filter. This filter gives you a lot of options on what you could do with it. For instance, if we needed to make sure we kept our inbox clean, we could skip the inbox. We could even apply a label to it. A label is sort of like the folders on the left-hand side. If we make a new label, I could call it Google Classroom. And anything from this message ID up here will go to that label. It'll skip my inbox, and it'll go right to the classroom. Never send it to spam though. We want to make sure it stays right where we can see it and use it if we need to. And then I always like to also apply a filter to the matching conversations. This will go through my inbox and grab anything else that matches that. If I create this filter, you can now see that all of those class notifications are gone, and they're over here under our label, Google Classroom. We can repeat this for any of the other classes that we might get. For instance, this teacher has sent me some more correspondence, and I'd like them over here in my Google Classroom label. So I can do it again. Filter the messages, and there's all of the messages from this class, and I'm going to create a filter again. I want it to skip, and I'm going to apply the label Google Classroom. Since I already have it, I don't have to make it again. I don't ever want it in spam, and I want to apply it to all the messages that match this new label I'm creating. Create the filter. And you might have to give it a moment to work, but we can see now the number rose again. You can repeat this for any type of email that you'd like to keep out of your inbox so that it goes to Google Classroom. Don't worry, if your teacher sends you a direct email or uses the email feature from Google Classroom, it won't end up in Google Classroom's label since it's just a normal email. It'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss anything important. If you ever have questions, reach out to your technology department and we're going to be happy to help you.